You wake up, swing your legs out of bed, and suddenly your lower back locks up like a rusted hinge, freezing you in place before the day has even started. It is humiliating to feel like your own body is betraying you, turning simple tasks like putting on socks into a strategic, painful mission. You've been told this is just normal aging or wear and tear, but what if the stiffness isn't your spine failing, but a mechanical error in how you move that you can fix in minutes? You don't need risky surgery, and you certainly don't need more painkillers. You need to master the Tibetan Bend, a decompression technique that shifts the load off your vertebrae and stops the grinding instantly. The reason your back screams at you isn't because it's weak, it's because it is exhausted from doing a job it was never designed to do. Evolution designed your hips to be the engine of your movement and your spine to be the stable transmission, but decades of modern life have reversed those roles. Every time you sit in that plush recliner or hunch over your phone, your hips deactivate and glue shut. When your hips stop moving, your lower back is forced to do all the bending, twisting, and lifting. It is a biological tragedy. You are asking the smallest muscles in your back to do the heavy lifting meant for the massive muscles of your glutes and hamstrings. But here's the problem that trips everyone up. You probably think the solution is to stretch your back to relieve the pain. Before I show you the exact movement, you need to understand why your current stretching routine is actually tearing your back apart. When you feel tight, your instinct is to bend forward and round your spine to stretch it out. But for a damaged disc, that is like squeezing a jelly donut. You are pushing the nerves into the exact danger zone you were trying to avoid. The Tibetan Bend does the opposite. It is not a stretch, it is a hinge. This movement focuses on maintaining a neutral, rod-like spine while unlocking the rusty gate of your hip joints. By pushing your glutes backward while keeping your chest proud, you mechanically force the spine to decompress, creating a vacuum effect that pulls bulging discs back into place and allows nutrient-rich fluid to rehydrate the tissue. This isn't just about exercise, it is about fighting the lifestyle villain that is destroying your mobility. Comfort. You spend hours sitting in chairs that support you so well your muscles forget how to hold you up, and then you wonder why you crumble when you stand. To perform the Tibetan Bend, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and soften your knees. Do not lock them. Place your hands on your hips. Now, instead of bending down, imagine you are trying to shut a car door with your butt. Push your hips back as far as they can go while keeping your chest lifted and your chin tucked. You should feel a massive stretch in your hamstrings, not your back. That tension in your legs is the sign that you are finally using the right machinery. Hold that position, breathe deeply, and feel the pressure drain out of your lumbar spine. If this explanation gave you hope that you can live without back pain, please like this video so we know to keep creating deep dive recovery content for you.